Hi everyone, here we are talking about another metric which can be used for faster calculation. Let's talk about the number which ends with 5. So suppose if we have to take a square, how we can do that in our mind without using a calculator. So suppose if I have 35 and I want to square it, then in that case what I have to do is write 25 in the end and then take 3, which is the first digit, and multiply it with its increment. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. So the answer is 1225. So another example, if I have 65 square, in that case I have to write 25 and then I'll take 6. So multiply 6 by 6 plus 1, that will be equal to 7. 7 into 6 is 42. So the answer is 4225. So how this trick works, so let's look into that. So suppose we have any number which ends with 5, so that number can be written as 10 into x plus 5. So here suppose if x is equal to 3, then this number will be equal to 35, right? So suppose if we have 10x plus 5 and we want to do a square of it, if we do a square of it, that will be equal to 100 x square plus 100x plus 25. So if we solve this, that will be equal to 100 into x into x plus 1 plus 25. So as you can see that um, we are taking the first digit and we adding a number into it, multiplying it by 100 and then adding a 25. So here if we have x is equal to 3, so if x is equal to 3, then we'll get 3 into 4 into 100 plus 25. So that will give me again 1200 plus 25. So we'll get 1225. So this is how this trick works. So basically we are adding the first digit by 1, multiplying it with the first digit, putting it the 100, multiplying by 100 and then adding 25 in the end. So another example, if I have 85 square and I want to I want to do a square, so that will be equal to 25 and we'll do 8 into 9, that's equal to 72. So answer is 7225. So this is how this trick works. I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next trick. Thanks.